I am Jennifer, and today I'm going to be making some super cute, adorable little mini Yule logs, also known as Bush de Noel. I was so happy when I thought of the idea of using my favorite tree to make little Yule logs. I hope you give these a try because they're adorable and so delicious. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Christmas Yule logs have been around for many, many years, and they're made with a big flat sheet cake filled with icing and then rolled up and decorated to look like a beautiful big log out in the woods. I'm going to put together this delightful recipe with some chocolate fudge frosting and some Swiss rolls. To make this Yule log, I'm going to take the regular Swiss log and I'm going to trim off the end with a big sharp knife so that we can see the beautiful swirl in the top. Now I'll do the other side. I'll put this little log down on a plate. Now I'm going to take the second one and I'm going to trim off the end just the same so that I can see the beautiful swirl cake design in the end. And I'm going to cut this at a diagonal. This is going to be the little knot that sticks out of the side. Now with the chocolate fudge frosting, I'm just going to take this and start putting it on top of this log. I'm just going to take a fork and I'm just going to drag the fork across. We want this to look like a little tree that has fallen down and laying out in the woods in the forest. I'm going to put on the top some little sugar crystals to look like frozen snow, and then I'll just put on some powdered sugar. And here is our beautiful little chocolate Yule log. You can also use white icing to make a little snowy top on the Yule log. Thank you so much for being here. I had so much fun putting these little desserts together. They'll be perfect to serve to my guests this evening when they come over for a family soup night. I appreciate you so much, and I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.